Well, I'm not sure if I had one favorite part of the makerspace program because it was a lot of fun and I've always loved engineering. So I think I loved it all.
During the 2016 school year, the Faculty of Education opened its doors to intermediate students and their teachers. It was an opportunity for them to engage and interact with our pre-service teachers while designing and making a smartphone charger.
My favorite part of the project was probably building the 3D case itself. It was really fun to design it and figure out how to build it and everything on the computer and try it with the technology and put your name in it. And I also really like the soldering, putting all the wires together and stuff.
The Maker movement really centers on connecting learners to the designed world. This connection can really bring theory and practice together in powerful ways.
My students for this experience were really excited. They really enjoyed it. They loved the challenge of learning how to solder, learning how to design, basically using and printing out a 3D printer, their own design for a solar smartphone charger. It was a bit challenging for them, which was really good because it really pushed them. I think that those sessions really helped in giving them that really valuable, authentic learning experience.
I learned a lot about soldering and how to correct mistakes if you messed up something with the solder, and the wiring and how it goes together and how it all works. And the solar panels, how you could attach those to your finished circuit so that it would power the circuit and charge up the capacitors, which would then put it into the iPhone that it was plugged into.
Of course, this project couldn't have happened without the support and partnership of many organizations and people outside of the Faculty of Education.
So we had a very strong partnership with College of the North Atlantic. And of course the faculty has an ongoing partnership with the school district. And I think that was strengthened. We had a fantastic experience for the students and the teachers. They walked away with a project that they had built themselves from scratch. I think all in all it was win-win, and certainly for us as faculty members here, I don't think it could have been more successful.
I think there's benefits in having partnerships with the university and a college in doing this type of makerspace program, because it does let students see different engineering and technology potential careers, and hopefully they can take their experiences from that and pick one in their future.
Here at the Faculty of Education, we are very committed to our students and their future success as teachers. This project was a very good example of how our pre-service teachers can gain experience and knowledge in what it means to teach.
Because of the people who were coming in and they were showing us things and we were showing them things, so it wasn't just us teaching, it was us learning too. So I got a little bit of knowledge about that, and I also just teaching practice and getting better at dealing with different types of people, people who are a little more shy than others. I had some experience with that, and so it's teaching and then also learning.
One of my most memorable moments was when a girl from one of the junior high schools in our first session, she said that she had known what she'd wanted to do with her life before this program and after the program was over, and she had her finished project that she was now unsure of what she wanted to do with her life.
I didn't know there were that many opportunities for me to actually use coding out there. Like, it's very limited selection than I thought, but now I don't know what I want to be.
I thought that was really cool that we inspired someone to maybe look into more career opportunities and options in technology.
Making isn't anything new. People crave to learn and express themselves through creative means. It's a fundamental aspect of the human condition. The real challenge lies in reconnecting this fundamental truth to formal education and making it work for everyone.